Good day, everyone. I'm Pearl K. Ilmoxo, and for today, I'll present my case study about Mercedes-Benz faces reputation crisis in the Chinese market for our course CCBA 6 International Trade and Agreement. The objective of this presentation is to examine the reputation crisis faced by Mercedes-Benz in the Chinese market. Specifically, we'll focus on factors contributing to this crisis, such as product recalls, marketing missteps, environmental concerns, and customer service issues. I will also present potential solutions that the company can adopt to restore its reputation and regain consumer trust. Mercedes-Benz is a global symbol of luxury, has had a long-standing presence in China. However, over the past few years, the company's reputation has taken a significant hit in one of its most vital markets. The issue started with high-profile recalls of defective vehicles, components including airbags, braking system. Although recalls are common in automotive industry, the slow and inadequate response from Mercedes-Benz damaged consumer trust, especially in markets like China. Reliability is paramount. The situation worsened due to the cultural insensitive marketing campaign that offended local traditions and values. Additionally, the company struggled to meet China's growing demand of eco-friendly vehicles and complained about poor after-sales service further tarnished its image. The crisis began in 2020 when Mercedes-Benz recalled thousands of vehicles in China due to defective components. This led to a loss of consumer confidence, compounded by a poorly received marketing campaign that was seen as culturally tone deaf. The backlash on social media was swift, with many calling of boycott. Meanwhile, the brand's slow response to China's growing demand for sustainable vehicles worsened its position. Further damage came from reports of substantial after-sales service, with consumers complaining about delayed response and poor service quality. As a result, Mercedes-Benz reputation shifted from one of reliable to one of mistrust and disconnection from local consumer needs. Mercedes-Benz challenges in China has boiled down to several critical issues. Product quality, recalls of defective components damage brand's reputation for safety and reliability. Cultural insensitivity. The brand's marketing campaign, which failure to resonate with Chinese cultural value, fueled public backlash. Third is environmental adaptation. The company's slow response to China's growing demand for eco-friendly vehicles lead to perception of it being out of touch. Fourth is customer service failure. Reports for poor after sales service results for the widespread dissatisfaction. Together, these issues create perfect storm undermining the brand's position and its competitive market. To address this problem, I have proposed three alternative solutions. First is investing in innovation. Mercedes-Benz must focus on technical advancement, particularly in safety, eco-friendly vehicles to regain customer trust. This includes developing electric and hybrid vehicles tailored to Chinese environmental standards. Sustainability incentive, prioritizing sustainability by reducing carbon emission and aligning with China's environmental goals will not only restore brand's reputation but also position it as a leader in green luxury vehicles. Third is market diversification. Exploring new markets and diversifying product offering can mitigate the risk of overdependence on the Chinese market. Expanding into emerging market or targeting different customer segments within China would help balance risk. After considering the alternative, I recommend investing in innovation as one of the most effective solutions. By focusing on cutting edge technology, particularly in electric vehicles and improving safety features, Mercedes Benz can rebuild consumer trust. This will also allow the brand to stay ahead from trends, meeting the evolving demand of Chinese consumer and ensuring long term growth. Additionally, prioritizing sustainability initiative would position Mercedes-Benz as forward-thinking brand aligning with China's green goal and consumer preference for eco-friendly luxury. In conclusion, the reputation crisis faced by Mercedes-Benz in China highlights the importance of maintaining quality control, cultural sensitivity, and environmental alignment in complex markets. By embracing innovation and sustainability, Mercedes-Benz can build its reputation and regain consumer trust, ensuring to remain a strong player in the Chinese luxury automotive market. Thank you for your attention.